This is the Bastrop, Texas Heroes and Hot Rods car show. Bastrop's about 30 miles east of Austin. Nice little small town here. This is right before Veterans Day, so they had a veterans walk earlier and dedication ceremony at the courthouse. About 400 cars here, all over some of these side streets and Main Street, so we'll walk through and show you some of our favorites. It's pretty cool. Talladega Nights replica car here, tribute car. Beautiful Cougar convertible next to it. Check these two trucks out. This is a couple that owns both of these. 1940 Ford, 1956 F100. Rest of mods, this big block Chevy Ramjet 502. Wow. I could see that damage all the way from over there. Oh wow. This is also owned by the same owners. They've got 3 of these here. This has a Coyote engine in it. Okay, this is nuts. The same people have all of this stuff. Looks like 6 vehicles, including a tractor. It's amazing. We followed this Super B in earlier. 3.3 Magnum. A6 Grand National. And this body style remains one of our favorite GM body styles ever. Love the T-tops. Beautiful interior. Crank windows on this thing. Absolutely gorgeous car. Gorgeous vehicle, gorgeous paint. This is 54 F100. Wow. Phenomenal. Same owner. Shelby 427 Cobra right next to it. Wow. 1950 Anglia Ute from Australia. Has a 4.3 liter GM engine in it and a 700 R4 transmission. Cute little thing. Looks like power window switches from like a 80s GM there. Mini seats in it. I heard this go by the hotel last night. 37 International with a Cummins turbo diesel in it. And definitely have the turbo, like where it whistles and sings pretty nicely. Really cool rat rod. 66 Chevy truck. It says 20-footer on tag, but gorgeous vehicle. Beautiful truck. Really, really well done. So I will say I've seen so many LS swaps here. I'm a fan of the classics and also a fan of the resto mods. Like them both, but there's been a lot of resto mods here, as well as I've never seen as many Oldsmobiles at a show as I've seen here. There's a whole bunch of those. Chevy SSRs, a ton of those here as well. Love the satin finish on this Camaro. This part close to us at the cruising last night. Gorgeous flame paint job on it. 32 Plymouth. Looks like about 66 or 67 Chevy 2. 66 Nova LS swap. Also super clean late model stuff here too, or say late model is a 97, but a more recent body style. 50,000 actual miles.
Right.
Beautifully kept. Lightning McQueen tribute car. This is a car that I've been wanting to do. It's got a 383 stroker, and I would like to do one of these with a LS swap, but got a manual in there. S10 Blazer, near and dear to my heart. I had a few S10 pickups as a kid, well, S15 Sonoma and a couple S10 pickups, as well as S10 Blazer. So definitely love these. Brings back memories. Okay, so this car, 74.5 Datsun 260Z. This is owned by a guy named Mike. I met him at the Fisher, Texas car show back in May, and he's the one that told me about this show. He's had this car since brand new, multiple show winner, like beautiful, beautiful car. And then this is his brother's car, 81 RX-7, and he has also had that since new. His nephew told me earlier his car has about 120,000 miles on it. It's from a little bit south of Chicago. So, really cool story. The brothers having both these since brand new, and then really thankful that Mike told me about this show. Look at this wild thing. 52 Buick Riviera. Here's Main Street in Bastrop. Let's just kind of walk you down here real quick. There's a police tribute. I think it's a vet down here that's really pretty. Saw this Mustang last night. Beautiful colors. This one's a stunner. 68 Camaro. It's got an LSX engine in it. Cool law enforcement tribute car. So, look at the stripes. All those names. And then from the target top as well. They've got a bunch of the badges in the back there.
Left, just 3. I'm going to talk it through.
37 Ford Roadster.
Get over there, get those.
Beautiful car. For sale for
I see folks
$60,000.
heading up there. You better get up there. Awesome stuff.
That's really cool.
If I was you, better you get your bids in.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, I can see excitement's building over there. Watch out. Pick up your garages.
Talk about a perfect engine bay.
Oh, I see some last minute bidders coming
Paint
in.
incredible.
This is fantastic. Remember, these funds go.
So I was saying about Oldsmobile, a lot of them rolled in together. A whole lot of Oldsmobiles through here.
Organizations that support this community. This is what the makers from this car show, from the silent auction.
Looks like they must have had a radiator problem with that one.
In 1 minute's all you got left.
It's a really cool wagon. And then this, you said this was an 88.
2, 1.
So it's an 88 Cutlass Supreme Bromes. Final year of this body style.
Cards now. There we go. Now we're done. Way to go.
This thing's gorgeous.
Thank you folks for participating. We will be announcing winners.
Hard top. Oh, the 80s. Maroon velour interior.
Thank you all for participating. That was so much fun.
It says 26,000 miles. It's probably original. Probably hasn't rolled over. This thing's in phenomenal condition. The Oldsmobile version of the wagon, of the Caprice wagon from the mid-90s. And then down here, have a old silhouette van. These things used to be kind of commonplace, and then you don't see them anymore. Owned by a local business here. Couple cool old trucks next to each other. More Oldsmobiles. Really like this one, 75 Hearst Olds T-top. Swivel seats, I remember those. One of the most unique vehicles here, and one of the coolest paint jobs too. POWMIA tribute here on the door. 40 Willys pickup. Got power options in there. Nice. Another vehicle you would have seen on the road back in the day, 88 Bronco. Really, really nice condition. Love the seats. Very cool. Big old 70s boat, 73 LTD Ford. Really, really well preserved example. This thing's incredible. 38 Ford pickup, 4-wheel drive, has 4-wheel steering as well. There's the info on it. Wild.
Quit repeating yourself.
So here's the car club. They have their club members parking the cars over here in a separate area. They're not part of the Judge Car Show, but they've got theirs on display. And then they passed out ballots for everyone to go through and do like their, you know, kind of people's choice of the car club ones. So Lisa picked this one as her top. Old Mercury 8 convertible. I told you I'd never seen so many SSRs here. I know I've only recorded this one so far, but 2006, one of the last ones built. There's a bunch of these here. A bunch of people own them. They're out today. Super clean 71 Blazer. This is one of our favorites of the car club. Very well done. So since we're big WWE fans, this is really cool to us. Undertaker's one of our favorite wrestlers. It's a 2006 Dodge Magnum. They've got this thing all fixed up, all tricked out. Got the hat up there, pallbearer, figures. They've got graphics with Taker on there on the side. Another urn and belt, and then they've got a wrestling ring back here in the back. Very, very nice setup, nice display. And tag. Super clean Monty SS here. So I'm getting down here to the courthouse now. This is back where we parked our car. Next year we gotta get here a lot earlier to get street parking. We had street parking last night for the cruise in, but today, by the time we got here, we ended up in the parking lot here. More SSRs. This thing followed us in this morning. It says 2025 Tri-King 1100cc Type 3. And then this was here last night at the cruise in. It's like an old Merc. Very, very well done. So we had some other cars out next to us earlier. They have already gone for the day, it looks like. But here's our display. And we hit 1.1 million miles on the way in here today. So that's a pretty special accomplishment for the car. Alright, so there's a walk around of some of the stuff here. When I said a whole bunch of cars, been a good show, good time. So look forward to coming back to this one again next year. So, all right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed some of the footage.